Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the 2004 Trak DPM5 vertical bed milling machine. This machine is in a great condition. The machine has a 3-axis Proto Trak SM CNC control on it. It has a power drawbar, auto lube on the machine. So overall this machine is in great condition. So now we are going to first run the machine on the CNC mode. So the spindle has been started. Currently the machine is running on the high gear at 1200 RPM. We have run a short program on the machine. As you can see, the X, Y, and Z, they're all moving together. Currently the machine is running at 1200 RPM. Right now there's a small drilling program going on. Right now the pocket cutting going on. Machine is super quiet, it's in a great condition. So right now the helical interpolation going on. Helical interpolation going on. So the machine also has the ability to thread mill. This machine is in a great condition. As you can see, we are running a short program on it for the demo purpose. It's a 2004 Trak DPM5 CNC bed milling machine. All 3 axes moving all together. So that completes our program. So now we're gonna run it on a manual mode, and we're gonna show you different functions on the machine. That's the power drawbar. We're gonna change to the low gear now. The machine is running at a low gear at 200 RPM, 300, 400, 480, and 500. That's the maximum RPM on the low gear. Now we're gonna change it to the high gear and show you the different RPMs on the high gear. That's the high gear. Currently the machine is running at 1800 RPM, 2000, 22, 28, 3000, 3400, 3600, 3800, 4000. That's the maximum RPM on the high gear. We're also going to show you the quill feed. So that's the quill feed going on. As you can see, so in the manual mode, that's your Z. Your Z is your quill feed. As you can see, the spindle is going down. Currently the machine is running at 2200 RPM. The spindle is super quiet. It's gonna disengage pretty soon. So the quill feed has been disengaged. Spindle has been retracted. So this machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.